Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Soul Seed Tarot. Today let's get some messages for Pisces people, the last sign. Pisces for September 2024. Before we start, disclaimer, please keep in mind these are general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. Pisces, starting with you. Your first card is Ten of Swords. You may face a sudden change, betrayal, some painful situation, some loss, some crisis. We will clarify it in this reading what this Ten of Swords signify here. But I see you needing some help, advice, suggestion, counseling from elder people or experienced persons so that you can balance this situation out perfectly. You have to have patience in this situation while handling this situation, while dealing with this unexpected, painful ending. Okay, it could be a financial situation for you, Pisces. Maybe you collaborated with someone in the past. Maybe you started a business with someone in the past. Okay. And now something has given you a failure, and now I see you crying over the spilled milk because of this union, this collaboration, partnership. I don't see anyone cheated or lagged in efforts. Everybody put their 100% of efforts in this situation, but somehow, maybe luck, or maybe you didn't analyze the situation, you didn't analyze the market well, and now you are facing some kind of disappointment in this situation. It is not a permanent loss, it is just a loss for that time. It is a phase, it may go away. It is just a phase. It happens. Businesses are never, you know, um, that their graph don't always go up. You will face ups and downs. Maybe it is a sudden down phase that you are facing right now. It is advised for you that don't isolate yourself, don't withdraw yourself. Isolate, withdraw can be in any sense, like you may want to come out of this partnership, you may want to leave that partnership, leave this business idea, and move in another direction to seek growth in your career. You could be feeling that, but it is advised for you to take some advice and suggestion from other people. Whosoever are around you who have knowledge and wisdom in this line of work that you are into, if you get some good advice from them, then it will be very helpful for you. Maybe it is just that you people, this group of people you are working with, you people may be lacking some direction. You all are putting a lot of efforts, but you may be lacking some direction. Okay. So it is advised for you to talk to people. Don't just isolate yourself about after this sudden unexpected change. You see, you're feeling like this is injustice, that you have put a lot of efforts, yet you are facing this loss, and you may be hiding all your emotions, stress, worry from other people, and you may be not even taking any advice from other people. You may not be interested in that, but it is good if you take advice, because if you take advice, then you will be able to balance out that situation. You will be able to find the inner peace, because this change has left you agitated. Once you gather yourself, like put your shit together and take responsibility, open your eyes, open your brain, don't get carried away with your emotions, but think logically, with patience, talk to people how to handle this situation, you will be able to get success in this. Because you see, for you, we have Hierophant card upright and Hierophant in reverse. We have King of Pentacles upright, we have King of Pentacles in reverse. See, if you take any advice, you will be able to gather your shit together, and if you calm down for a little bit. Otherwise, if you let your emotions overpower you, that you are losing grip over the whole situation, you are not able to handle this, and negativity, all those negative thoughts, if you entertain those negative thoughts, it will be more difficult for you to come out of this situation. Because you see, there is no one that is hurting you or backstabbing you. It is just that you people are lacking some kind of direction. You are putting in efforts, but you lack a little bit of direction. All people, all your group members are equally interested in this business or in this partnership as much as you are. Yeah, you see, I'm getting that. Okay, even if I get pull more cards and try to get more clarification on your situation, I'm getting the same message again. Okay, you are trying to resist this change, and you may feel like you want to leave this situation, but it is okay. You see, we have Three of Cups, we have Three of Cups in reverse. There was a union or collaboration, and now you want to leave that. You want to, you don't want to put any efforts in that situation, any of your energy, your skill, you want to pull out from that game. It is okay, it is okay. Situations like this arise sometimes. You have to have patience and handle yourself. Okay, talk to people, talk to friends, and if possible, wait for some time. Don't react and overreact in that situation. It is a chaotic situation for you. Don't react and overreact and uh, create more chaos. Have patience. You will be able to balance these things. Okay, that's all I had for you. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.